Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. In this video, I am going to share 6 amazing woodworking tools which can be very helpful in your day-to-day life. So make sure you watch this video until the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and I guarantee you will surely love this. Let's get started. Number 6. Bora Portamate. The Bora Speedhorse is an extremely well-made metal folding sawhorse with great engineering and ease of use. As the name suggests, the Bora Speedhorse is built for speed, as the setup and storing its fold-up legs is so fast, it literally runs laps around the competition. According to Bora, it takes only about 1.6 seconds to fold out its legs so it can stand up. All you have to do to fold out its legs is literally one simple step of sliding a button, and the legs go and fold out automatically. Folding the legs back in place is almost as quick and easy and only requires 2 steps, which is to pull a leg release lever and push each set of legs back into the main body. The Bora Speedhorse also has the highest weight capacity rating according to Bora of a max of 1,500 pounds, which they claim is 200 more than any other sawhorse on the market. Number 5. Festool OS400. The Festool Vecturo OS400 multi-tool set includes some innovative add-ons that make it perfect for making very accurate cuts in both plunge and undercutting applications. The Vecturo OS400 includes an adapter that lets you use the 2 depth stops as well as the positioning plunge cut tool. It also includes a couple additional accessories. The sustainer also includes a plastic lid that gives you some additional space to store blades and other accessories. Startup on the Festool Vecturo OS400 is nice and smooth, with a quick ramp up that isn't artificially slow, but simply cuts into the sudden inrush currently associated with starting up a powerful 400-watt motor. It also keeps the tool from jumping when you are using the plunge cut positioning aid. Number 4. Ryobi P25. Ryobi introduces the 18-volt ONE Lithium-Ion Cordless Brushless 1.5-inch drill driver with 2 2.0 AH batteries, charger, and bag. The drill driver features a 3-jaw Jacobs chuck for quick hex bit insert. Its brushless motor provides longer runtime and extended tool life when compared to brushed motors. The LED light illuminates the work area and remains on for a time after trigger is released for improved accuracy. Backed by the Ryobi 3-year manufacturer's warranty, this kit includes a brushless drill driver, 2 2.0 AH batteries, a charger, a screwdriver bit, a bag, a belt clip, and an operator's manual. Number 3. One-time tool. The Woodpecker's product development team has built features into the newest one-time tools you won't find in any other combination square or double square at any price. The first thing you'll notice about the XL squares when you have them in your hands is the thickness of the adjustable head. With just under 1.5 inches beneath the blade, you'll never worry about molded edges changing your readings. The squares have a firm footing when standing vertical for cabinet checks or machinery adjustment too. Next, you'll notice the laser cut notches in the stainless steel blades. The points are just the right size to capture a pencil tip for highly accurate parallel scribing. The combination squares gives you square and 45-degree references. The double squares are square on both sides, and the heads are a bit smaller than the combination square heads, fitting into small assemblies better. Number 2. Bosch JS572EL Jigsaw. Always big on woodworking tools, the new Bosch JS572EL Jigsaw is their top-handle jigsaw model, which is packaged in an L box kit and which replaces the Bosch 1590 EVS Jigsaw. The Jigsaw comes with a 7.2 amp motor that uses a new Precision Control 2 system whereby an electronic feedback circuit helps to give more energy to the motor when it encounters a more difficult load. So when you're cutting through a denser part of a board, the tool will retain its power and the blade will continue to cut at the same speed. The Bosch JS572EL Jigsaw has a new Precision Control 2 system that features a double roller that places a second guide higher up on the Jigsaw blade. This helps minimize blade deflection below the lower roller and delivers a straighter and stronger cut. The Jigsaw also uses a new auto center feature that allows the rollers to adjust laterally. Number 1. The Skil 20V Brushless Impact Driver. The Skil 20V Brushless Impact Driver features a brushless motor and a 20V lithium battery. The 20V battery also includes a USB port for charging any of your phones or smart devices. You get 3 power modes: high, low, and control mode. Control mode starts slow, then when it senses that a fastener is started, it kicks into high speed. With the brushless kit, you also get the upgraded powered jump charger, which will charge the 2.0 AH battery to 25% from 0% in just 5 minutes. This charger will also charge the 2.0 battery from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. An LED light at the base shines on the fastening area, and a knurled collect allows for easy grippage during bit changes. Rubber overmolding and comfortable ergonomics makes handling the Skil 20V brushless impact driver a breeze. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Let me know by commenting below which tool you like the most. If you want to buy any of these tools, then the links are in my description. That's all for today. If you like this video, then support us by sharing with your family and friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.